Imagine that someone emails you a PDF and you can fill it out, sign it, and send it back all without having to leave Gmail. You don't have to download it. You don't have to print it. You don't have a second app that you have to use. The form lands in your inbox and you take care of it right there. That's the tool we're talking about today, DocHub, who is partnering with me on this video, and I will link to them below if you want to try it out. So let's walk through what this workflow actually looks like because I feel like it's going to save you a lot of time. One setup note to get you going on DocHub. So DocHub lives in Gmail through a free add-on, and the first time you use it, you can go download the DocHub for Gmail add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. It takes about 30 seconds and you only have to do it once. Once you add it into your Gmail, it'll automatically show up. DocHub will show up sitting inside of your next attachment. So let's say that a form lands in your email as an attachment, and instead of downloading it, you can open it right inside of DocHub from the attachment. Then you can jump into the editor directly in the browser without having to go anywhere else, typing in the fields and checking the boxes you need to. Meanwhile, nothing's left Gmail and the document is just open where it needs to be. And the best part of DocHub, in my opinion, is that it has a free tier that is actual real and permanently free, not just a 7-day trial. And while we talked about opening documents, that's only the first half of this. The second half is actually closing the loop without having to switch any apps at all. So you can fill in the rest of the fields. So you can drop in a signature, then you can send it back as a reply right inside of Gmail without having to do anything else. And it'll attach the completed PDF as an attachment. So picture the document comes in as a reply and it goes out as a reply all within one screen. While the old version was download, print, sign, scan, reattach, the new system can be a lot more efficient. There's some other ways that this can work for you too. So when you're the one that needs a signature from someone else, instead of printing a form or scanning it or emailing it and hoping that they print it and scan it back or do it in Preview or Adobe or whatever, you can mark where they need to sign and send it out for signature right within the document. They get a link, they can sign it right in the browser, and then the signed copy comes right back to you. And the person signing doesn't need a DocHub account, they just need the link. None of this really matters unless it shows up in the paperwork that you actually use all the time. The vendor form that you get twice a month, or the permission slip that you get from your kid's school, the one-page agreement that a client emails over, the tax document that you just need to sign and return. It's all the small stuff that isn't worth opening a heavy app for, because those kind of things still take up 10 minutes to fill out one single document. And some cool quality of life features. So things like when you've dropped in your signature once, it remembers. Next time when you need to fill out a signature form, it's even faster. You can open it, you sign it, you can reply, and then you're done. And the objection that you might have here is it safe for those forms to have your real information on it? The reasonable way to think about it is the same way that you're already thinking about it with your own Gmail account. You're in your own browser, you're in your own account, and the file goes back out as a reply. So for the everyday vendor form and permission slip, that's a perfectly normal place for those to be handled. If it's a genuinely sensitive legal document, you might want to be a little more careful as to using a tool like this, but for things like paperwork, it's not really risky to have this done in an email. So back to the question that I brought up earlier about whether or not this is free or just free until it isn't. The honest answer is both. It depends on how much you use a tool like this. The free tier is genuinely free, and the cap is 3 completed documents per month. So within that, you can get real features, you can edit the document, you can send out one for signature, and it isn't just a stripped down demo. So you are looking for a PDF tool that you can use within Gmail. This is going to be a really solid option for you, and it will streamline the way that you do business, not having to go out to another tool like Preview or Adobe and having to do all of this separately. You can do it all within DocHub. So if you are interested in DocHub, I will link to them below. And let me know in the comments below if this is a tool that you would try out, if so. And if you have tried it out, let me know your experience. And with that, I will see you on the next one.